At some time, in a moment of weakness, I decided to take on the SolderSmoke challenge, the direct conversion receiver project. This was thought up by Bill into CQR and Dean, KK4DAS, and this was a project that was used to teach some high school kids some electronics. This is a fairly simple direct conversion receiver. Actually, it's been enhanced a little bit. Anybody can build a DC receiver with fewer parts, but this one is meant to work. So let's look at this. It consists of 4 boards: the bandpass filter, the diode ring mixer, the PTO for generating the frequency you want to listen to, the VFO, and then the last and most important stage is the audio amplifier. Now I've got the audio amplifier built on a single board, and this is, I don't know, it's 4 by 6 inches, so whatever that is, metric. And I follow the diagram, and the way I lay boards out is just the way they are in the schematic. You start left to right. Here's the input. There's the coupling cap. Then here's the first stage amplifier. Here's the volume control, but the volume control is going to be external, so I have 3 pads here, and I've just shorted, or using a clip lead, test lead, I've taken the output from the first transistor stage and fed it direct to the base of Q3. Oh, excuse me, to the lead of C14, which feeds the signal coupled through this capacitor C14 to the base of the second stage transistor Q3. Then that goes to Q4 and then to my speaker. Now my audio transformer is I got it off of Amazon. I got 10 of them for $6.90, so it's 69 cents a piece. That's pretty cheap. It's I think 13,000 to 8 impedance, so this should work okay. Just guessing here. And you can hear, you don't hear anything, so it's kind of quiet. So let's feed it a signal. And I apologize for moving the camera rapidly, but let's do this. I'm just going to touch the input. So what that does is it feeds the noise, and the noise is coming from the electromagnetic environment that the human race has just contributed 10 million devices to. So it looks like the amplifier, the audio amplifier, is working correctly. So that's board 1 of 4. So let me go off. And I guess the next thing to do is, well, I'll do the bandpass filter and then the mixer. I'm going to take another board and build, hopefully, all 3 sections the same size. What I do is I'll take one board, prepare it by cleaning it and putting a thin coat of Krylon clear on it. I'm going to build the bandpass filter in a small area. Then I'm going to use a shear and cut it loose. Then I'm going to build the mixer in as small an area as I can, cut it, and then build the PTO in the last section. And hopefully, if I'm good enough or lucky enough, I can get all 3 boards. I will demonstrate each one of them as I complete it, and when I get through to hook them all up, I'm going to take the other 3 boards and put them on the back of this one. I'll start out using double-sided tape, make sure everything works. If something works, I can take it off and rebuild it or fix it. And when I get through, I'll have a DC receiver that's effectively one board. I'll put standoffs in the four corners and then put it in an enclosure. So stand by and we'll see how this works. Appreciate some likes and let the rest of the world know that the village idiot is out and loose. Thank you. Stay tuned.